our fingerprints on the Cybertruck. Yep. Today I'm going to show you how to install the Tesstudio fingerprint resistant door handles on Cybertruck. The Tesla Cybertruck is such a cool, unique vehicle, but because of the durable stainless steel, it is prone to fingerprints. This product will allow for easier opening and closing of your doors and to avoid touching the stainless steel so you have less fingerprints. First, I will show you how to prep the doors, then the full installation process, and finally, how the doors work with the door handles installed. So if you're ready to purchase these door handles or any other Tesla accessories, go to Tesstudio.com and use code accelerating to save 20% on any Tesla accessories. Or use my link in the video description or pinned in the comments to save 20% off your purchase of any Tesla accessories. So here's what comes in the box. A list of items. Got your instructions step by step. Adhesion promoter, 2 packets. Brochure. And here are the door handles. Here is how they are identified so that you know which door they should be assigned to. Flip it around and look on the corner here. And you can see this one is FR for front right door. One is RR for rear right. FL for front left. And RL for rear left. So we got rear left, rear right, front left, and front right. So get them organized so that you know which door they go to before you install. So the first step is clean the door where the handle's going to go with a towel. Second step, use the adhesion promoter on the edge of the door where the tape is going. In this case, I'm going to start the top edge right below this second rivet. Next, align the handle in the spot where you want it. Make sure the edge is flush with the door. Next step is add pressure to the adhesive, the edge side, and the inside of the door. So now that the handles are installed, here's how they work. Grab here and close your door with no fingerprints. Opening the door, grab right here and no fingerprints. Open your door, and instead of grabbing the door here, touching the stainless, now you can just grab this handle, and easy closing by pushing here. So if you're ready to purchase this accessory or any other accessories for your Cybertruck or any Tesla, use my referral link in the video description or pinned in the comments to save 20%. Thank you so much for Tesstudio sponsoring this video. Please make sure to subscribe so that you don't miss any future videos. Also, if this was helpful for you, please hit the like button as it really helps promote my channel. And please let me know in the comments if you purchased this accessory or any other accessories. Thank you so much for watching. Of the fingerprintless door handles.